one I'm going to pass over to you. Can sleep, as topic of sleep, can sleep affect my ability to lose weight?
Yes, it can affect your ability to lose weight and it can affect your ability to gain weight. So, sleep is definitely one of those main questions that I probably ask my clients on a daily. How's your sleep? How much energy do you have? Is it due to the sleep? Is it due to the food? If we think about sleep, it's more of the time that your body gets to restore itself, right? You think if you think of sleep, you should change it to restoration period. We work all day. We're challenging our brain. We're challenging our eyes. We're challenging all of our motors, and we have to fuel it, and then we have to rest it. So I would say the biggest challenging client I have, or the hardest challenge, is those that work 20 hours a day. They're working from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night, and they are up all the time, but they're not active, and they don't have time to work out because they work all the time and they don't sleep. And so it's like, if I had a prescription for that client, it is to sleep. It is, oh, you have 30 minutes, go take a nap. It is not, oh, let's get to the gym and let's work out and let's do all these other things to push your body. No, 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 no. We have to start with the basics, right? So we're going to go back to childhood. We're going to go back to when our body was made, right? It's made to eat, sleep, and go to the bathroom. So if those things aren't happening, we have to start there. And so a lot of times that's what I'm noticing, is that, we're troubleshooting the wrong thing. Food can be spot on. Exercise could be spot on, but they're sacrificing their sleep for their exercise. So I like to just always address that, saying, if your body's not restoring, then it's not going to have the ability to recover, to keep pushing, to keep building, to keep losing. Whatever our goals are at that time, we are not going to be successful unless we have adequate sleep. And the sleep studies say an average American, an adult American, anybody of any human race, not just internationally, I guess, is 7 to 9 hours. How many of you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep? Right? We're lucky sometimes if we get 5 or 6. So having that little bit of grace to say, if I'm sleeping 4 hours, try to get 5. If you're sleeping 5, try to get 6. Is it restful sleep? Are you up all the time? Are you too hot when you sleep? Creating an environment where you can sleep. I have a little notepad next to my bed. So if I wake up with a thought, I write it down so I make sure I don't forget it. And I go back to bed. So definitely sleep can impact you in all sorts of ways.